Good morning, everybody. You know what time is it? That's right, flying time. Today I'm on my way out to Greenwood Lake Airport, and I'm going to go to Shack BBQ and Burger. It's a restaurant on the airport right there. Never been there before. So I figured, you know what? It's a beautiful day outside. Let's go flying. So come along. It's just going to be you and I today. Let me know what you think. So I just got a text from a friend that was supposed to go up with me today, and he was saying that he wished he could go. Sorry, he's got a bunch of things that he's got to do at home. Maybe next time. Okay, well, maybe next time. But this time it's just you and I. So anyway, Paulie, I wish you were with me, but maybe next time. All right, see you. Serious note, I know this year, 2020, has been very, very crazy. I know for me and my family, it's just been really insane. But I just want to say I hope everybody is healthy, safe, wearing your mask. I have my mask right here. I always wear it. Protect yourself. Let's get through this. Let's get beyond the virus, and let's get back to normal. So everybody out there, please be safe, mask up, and we'll get through this. We'll get through this. Okay, just arrived at Morristown Airport here. I'm going to do the pre-flight, make sure everything's okay, and then we'll be off. Make sure that we sanitize everything before I get in the plane. Just makes sense. Safety first, right? Always gotta check the tire pressures. Make sure it's good. Looking good. Okay, pre-flight's all done. Now I'm just gonna set my cameras up and... Alrighty, everybody. We are ready to go to Greenwood Lake. Just got my, just called up ground. I got my clearance. I'll be taking off on runway 23. Everything looks good. Weather looks really good. Yeah. See you at the airport. Okay, we're gonna do our before takeoff check here. Park and brake set. Okay, before takeoff check complied with.
254, widen it out, we follow traffic.
254, do you have the traffic inside at your 12 o'clock and a mile and a half?
And Morristown Tower, Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotels, holding short of Alpha 23.
November 150 Tango Tower, Morristown Tower, good afternoon, hold short of runway 23, traffic landing, say direction of flight.
We'll be heading out to the north, 0 Tango Hotel.
November 0 Tango Hotel, read back, hold instruction.
And we're holding short for landing traffic, 0 Tango Hotel.
On the 254, cross the base of final, will be 1 Skyhawk departure prior to your landing.
On the 254, Roger.
November 0 Tango Hotel, traffic Skylane left base to a 1.5 mile final, runway 23, cleared for takeoff, wind 2807, gust 14, on course approved.
Okay, clear for takeoff, 0 Tango Hotel, on course approved. Camera, action.
Two followed Skylane, half mile final.
Looking for traffic and
speed line.
09 call.
95 with
We'll take
8 for the north and now full stop with Bravo.
That was fun.
Base 709 Gold.
Nice little crosswind there.
And Morristown Tower, corner 231, holding short, runway 23 at Alpha.
On the 231 Morristown Tower, good afternoon, hold short of runway 23.
Holding short 23, surrounding traffic, corner 231.
Foxtrot, left downwind, 23. 07 Foxtrot, number 2, following Archer on a 1 mile funnel. 010, that's 14.
Wow.
Number 223, Cleveland, 1 Foxtrot. Number 0 Tango Hotel, traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 2 miles, 1,800.
Look at the traffic. 0 Tango Hotel.
Number 20 Whiskey, traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles, 2,400 should be effective.
Copy that, no factor, 20 Whiskey.
November 20 Whiskey, number 3, following Cicada on left base to a 1.5 mile funnel.
Hey.
Do you mean right base, 20 Whiskey?
Number 20 Whiskey, you're following traffic on the left base to a 1.5 mile funnel.
Roger that, following traffic from the left base, 20 Whiskey.
Yeah, this should be fun over there.
Whiskey, do you have the traffic at your 12 to 1 o'clock on funnel?
Traffic in sight, I see him landing, 20 Whiskey.
20 Whiskey, traffic still on final. They're just ahead and to your right at 700 feet.
Got him in sight, 20 Whiskey, thank you.
20 Whiskey, number 2, runway 23, clear to land, wind 280 at 8, gust 13.
2 for 23, clear to land, 20 Whiskey.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy. It is bumpy.
November 20 Whiskey, go around.
Roger that, going around.
Yeah, this is going to be fun.
20 Whiskey, make left close traffic.
Greenwood Lake, Cessna, turn left, crosswind 24, left close traffic, Greenwood Lake.
Greenwood Lake 24. 1700, traffic pattern altitude.
Greenwood Lake traffic, Cessna, on a left downwind, 24, Greenwood Lake. And traffic at Greenwood Lake getting ready to go. Do we have time for a power off 180? Greenwood Lake, Cessna's in the left downwind, beam the numbers for power off 180, Greenwood Lake.
Hey, Greenwood Lake traffic, Skyhawk is on 45 for a left downwind for runway 24 at Greenwood Lake. Full landing seat, mixture rich, landing lights are on. And Greenwood Lake traffic, Skyhawk is on left downwind for runway 24 at Greenwood traffic. And Greenwood Lake traffic, Skyhawk turning left base runway 24 Greenwood Lake. And Greenwood Lake traffic, Skyhawk is turning final for 24 Greenwood Lake traffic. And Greenwood Lake traffic, Skyhawk is clear of the active 24 Greenwood Lake. Get a bite to eat. I'm hungry. Thank you for sharing another flight with me. I had a great time. Restaurant was really, really cool. And yeah, food, I highly recommend that place. Go check it out. Smoke Shack and Burger in Greenwood Lake Airport. Fantastic place. And please don't forget, wear your mask. All right, stay safe. We'll see you again at the next video. Take care.